lovelies, croeso mawr I Amser Cylch. Big welcome to Circle Time. How are you today? Oh, that's really good. I'm so glad that you're okay. Are you okay, Mr. Benny? Yes, Mr. Benny's okay too. Mr. Benny, I bet you're wondering why you're standing there. I would really like you to be my help with Heather again today. Did such a good job, didn't you, children, the last time? And I really need your help today. Extra help today. We've got a new friend today. She's a little monkey and her name is Nellie. And I would like to find Nellie and say hello to Nellie, but at the moment we're not sure where she is. Shall we try singing Dewch chi eistedd ar y mat and see if she comes? Shall we? Okay. Dewch chi eistedd ar y mat, ar y mat, ar y mat. Dewch chi eistedd ar y mat. 1, 2, 3. Can't see her. Can you see her anywhere, Mr. Benny? Ble mae Nellie? Ble mae Nellie? Oh dear. Children, can you help us? Can you see Nellie the little monkey anywhere? Where? Over there? Over here. Nellie, ble rwy ti? Dyma fi, here I am. This is Nellie. Nellie the little monkey. Monkey bach. Say hello to the children, Nellie. Hello. How wonderful. Should we say good morning to the children? Bore da? Yes, let's do that. Bore da, sut wyt ti? Sut wyt ti? Da iawn diolch, da iawn diolch. Bore da, bore da. Okay, Mr. Benny, we seem to have lost your glasses. Ooh. Nellie, have you had Mr. Benny's glasses? Because I don't know where they are. I've looked over here. I've looked over here. I've looked over. Nellie has hidden the glasses down here. I found them. Oh dear Nellie, it's not good to hide. It's not good to hide behind Miss Bunny from Miss Nita, and it's not good to hide Mr. Bunny's glasses either, is it, children? There you go, Mr. Bunny. There's your help with Heather glasses. There you go. Right then, Nellie, can you help us sing with Mr. Bunny? Are you ready? Pwy sydd yma heddiw? Pwy sydd yma heddiw? Pwy sydd yma heddiw? Gadewch I ni gael gweld. Who is here today? Let us see. Okay, are you ready, Mr. Bunny? Ble mae Nellie? Nellie yma. Ble mae Mr. Bunny? Mr. Bunny yma. Ble mae Teddy Toot? Oh. Oh, Teddy Toot dim yma. Ble mae Teddy Toot? Oh, my Teddy Toot and Sal. Teddy Toot has got a little bit of a headache today, so he's not here today. But never mind, he'll get better. We all get better, don't we? Yes, that's marvellous. Right then, today we are going to find out what day of the week it is. Nellie, can you go and sit on the mat for me? Do you think you can stay on the mat for me? Okay, we'll try. Good girl, Nellie. Well done, Nellie. Okay. Here we are then. Who knows what day of the week it is? Is it Monday? Tuesday? Wednesday? Thursday? Or could it be Friday? Now the last time I seen you, it was Wednesday. This day, Wednesday. So today is the day after Wednesday. If I just get it. Mr. Benny, do you know what day this is? Good try. Very good try, but it's really not Tuesday. Is it Tuesday? No. Nellie, do you know what day of the week it is today? Monday? Good try. Is it Monday? No, today is this day. Mr. Benny, can you hold this for me? Right there so the children can see it at home. Oh, hold it right up with your hand. There we go. Shall we do our Days of the Week song? Are you ready? There's... Oh, where is Sunday? Oh, Nellie. Nellie, have you taken Sunday? We haven't got a Sunday. Oh my goodness. We'll have to pretend that the door handle's Sunday now. Nellie, you are a little monkey. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 So, Mr. Benny, if you were listening, what day is it today? Thursday! You got it right first time. Oh, I'm so happy. Down, Mr. Bunny. Down, tea. Down, Mr. Bunny. Down, tea. Whoosh! That was amazing. First time, Mr. Bunny. I'm so glad that you're learning. You're learning the days of the week. I wonder... Just put it back on the board. I wonder if you know yn Gymraeg. I wonder if you can know what day it is. Pa ddiwrnod yw hi heddiw yn Gymraeg? Nellie, do you know what day it is in Welsh today? Sausage. That's not a day of the week, is it? And it's certainly not Welsh. Listen, Nellie, use your listening ears and see if you can learn something. Shall we try? Let's try our song in Welsh and show Nellie, shall we? Dydd Sul, dydd Llun, dydd Mawrth, dydd Mercher, dydd Iau, dydd Gwener, dydd Sadwrn, hooray! Okay, Mr. Benny, pa ddiwrnod yw hi heddiw? Dydd Mercher. Oh, it's very close, very close. Dydd Mercher was last time. Yesterday was Dydd Mercher. The last time we were here was Dydd Mercher, Wednesday. Let's try again. Nellie, can you help, please? Dydd Sul, dydd Llun, dydd Mawrth, dydd Mercher, dydd Iau, dydd Gwener, dydd Sadwrn, hooray! Pa ddiwrnod yw hi heddiw, Mr. Bunny? Dydd Iau, is he right? Dydd Iau, da iawn, Mr. Bunny. That is amazing. Oh, do you know what? I've got some numbers up here. Who knows their numbers at home? I made a telephone call last week to a little boy from my class, and I said to him, shall we do some numbers next time? And he said, yes, I love numbers. And I said to him, can you give me one of these numbers that's tricky for you? And he said, yes, the number that's tricky for me is 2,200,056. Is that there? Oops, that's tricky for me as well, so you must be amazing at counting. Do you know that this is number 0? Do you know that this is number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5? So we've got 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What's this one? Do you know what this one is? No, it's not 5. 5's over there. This one comes after 5. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6. 7. 8. 9. And on the end with 2 digits, that's 10. That's 10. 10, 10, 10. Nellie, where are you going? Please sit nicely. We're almost finished. Children, every time that you see Nellie popping up, can you please shout at her, Nellie, eistedd ar y mat, please? Will you listen to the children? Can you try? Can we try that, please? Every time you see Nellie popping up, you write, Nellie, eistedd ar y mat, please. Okay, thank you. Right, all together now. Nellie, eistedd ar y mat, please. Thank you, Nellie. Oh, I really need your help today. Okay. Ooh, I'm a bit stuck. I'm sitting on my book. Here we go with a jolly phonics. This is my favourite, Mr. Benny. This is book 1. We're on book 1. We're starting from the beginning to help all of the new children that are going to start. But Miss Jones asked me if I'd do B today as well. So we'll go to the other book and do B after. Is that okay? Can you remind me, please, Mr. Benny? Okay. Now, it's been a while since I've seen you. I didn't see you last week. I'm so sorry. Miss Nita was a bit sad. So, what was this sound? What was this sound? What was this sound, Mr. Benny? Can you remember? Oh, children, help me. Nellie, eistedd ar y mat, please. Thank you, children. Thank you so much. Can you remember what sound this was? Let me get closer to you. Can you remember this one? Should we do the song quickly? The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. And what was the next one we had? Can you remember? Can you help me? What was it, Mr. Benny? We had ants on her arms, didn't we? Are you ready? Where's the ants on the arm? There they are. Oh, I can't reach. There they are. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm. Oh, we're flying through this, Mr. Benny. We're so clever. Now then, this is our new song. Oh, song? Oh, Mr. Benny. It's a little bit silly today. It's not a song, is it? It's a sound. It's jolly phonics, and it's a... Oh, can you see that? It's a... There's a little bit of a story with this one as well. Are we ready? The children play a game of tennis in the garden. They hit the ball with a racket. Their friends turn their heads from side to side as they watch. Okay, can you help me, Mr. Benny? Every time it goes, we have to turn our heads. Are you ready? And I'll sing the song as well. When I watch a tennis game, when I watch a tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Can you see anything else on this page that starts with a sound? We have a tennis racket. We have a tennis ball. What's here? Do you know what that is? Can you help me? What is it? Oh, hang on. What's this in the grass there as well? This snake is in the grass. It's getting everywhere, isn't it? Who knows what this is? Starts with the sound t, 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 t. It's a tent. It's a tent. And there's a girl with a tennis racket there. Is there anything else? Oh, what's that? What's that there? It's a teddy. And there we have a top. And there's some more tennis balls. Oh, what's that there? Eating the flowers. It could be eating a tulip. It's a tortoise. A tortoise. That starts with the sound t, 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 too. So now we have s, a, and t. Should we do the song again? Are you ready? When I watch a tennis game, t, 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 t. When I watch a tennis game, my head goes back and forth. I do like that one. I do enjoy that one. Shall we try? Look, I lost my pen last time, didn't I? So I've attached it to my book this time. I've attached it to my... Help me, children, please. Nellie, eistedd ar y mat, please. Thanks, Nellie. We won't be long now, lovely. Watch how we do this, Nellie. I'm going to do you a t, t, t. I'd like you to practice some of these t, t, t at home for me. Are you ready? We start by taking the lid off the pen. We start at the top and we come all the way down. Oh, there's a little bit of a curve there. Oh, isn't that marvellous? Take your pen off and then about halfway down we go. Look at that. T, t, t. I know, some of you at home, your name starts with that sound, doesn't it? I wonder if you can practice writing your names at home for me and put them on Twitter for us so we can see that you're practicing. If it's really difficult for you, ask mummies or daddies to write your name in lowercase and ask them to mix them up with other names and try and recognise your name. Try and find it amongst another lot of names. That's a really good game to play. A really good game. Right, let's do this for the older ones. Oh my goodness. That is in book 3. It's in book 3, Mr. Bunny. And your name starts with a B. Bunny. Bunny, bunny, bunny. Right, let's find this B then. This is especially for Miss Jones. She asked me to do this for the really, really, really clever children. But you're all clever. But this one is for the ones that have been in the class longer, because they've been practicing the other ones lots and they know this and already. They could teach me better probably for those. Okay, this is a B, 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 B. That's a big capital B. Higher case. This is a lowercase B, B, B. Are you ready for the story for this one? The children have gone to the park to play ball. As they hit the ball with the bat, they made a B sound. B, 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 B. Can you have a look at this page? B, B, B. A ball. Bib. Rabbit. Crab. Now then, there's some pictures on here that start with that sound B. Does this lady start with a B? No. Does the pram start with a B? No. What's this? What is this? It's a baby boy. It's 2 B's. Baby boy. So yes, baby boy. There's another boy. Boy with blonde hair. He's got bottles in his basket on his... What's this? What is this? Have you got one at home? Do you know what it's called? Yes, well done. It's a bike. Now then, what are these here? There's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. They are... Oh, you're so clever. Birds. Well done. What's this little girl blowing? Blowing. She's blowing some bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bubbles. On the lake there is a boat. And the boat is going to go underneath the bridge. Oh my goodness, it's full of buzz. I also see a buzzy bee. A buzzy bee. And a baseball glove and a baseball cap. Oh, there's just too many for me today. Oh, I'm overwhelmed by all these buzz. Now, there is a song for these buzz. You're going to have to practice this one because I haven't done this one for a while. It goes like this. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball. What can we play today? That is incredible. Shall I do a B as well? Do I have to draw a B as well? Okay, write a B, I should say. Not draw a B. Miss Nita, come on. Oh, actually, where should we do a ba? Take this one off. Oh no. Do it at the bottom for you. Do it right up by the camera to help you. Are you ready, children, to do your ba? Start at the top. Down. Oh, you bounce back up again. Halfway up, round. Almost like a ball itself. There is your ba. Well, Nellie, you've done an amazing job of sitting there today. Look at her. Bravo. Da iawn, Nellie. Da iawn ti. Da iawn, Nellie. Da iawn ti. Whoosh. Here she comes. Well done, Nellie. I think next time maybe Nellie can be helpful here. What do you think? Do you think so? Well, I've got a message from Mrs. Jones, Miss England, Miss Gemma, Miss Davis and Miss Anita. We all miss you very much and we can't wait to see you soon. After the term, half-term holidays, which is next week, we're going to be studying, learning about splish, splash. Oh, sounds really exciting, doesn't it? I can't wait. Wonder if we'll go swimming. Ooh, that would be interesting. I might go swimming and have a splish splash or a splish splash in the bath. But we'll have to wait and see all about that. What, Nellie? Nellie's just told me that we haven't done the weather today. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well done, Nellie. Sit my toe with Heather, Nellie. Sit my toe with Heather, Mr. Benny. What's the weather like today? It's not good. Not good weather today. See if I can find my weather. I don't even know where my weather is. Oh, Nellie, you had it on the floor. That's how you knew. You're so clever, Nellie. Quickly then, Nellie. Let's show the children at home what the weather's like. Sorry. Are we ready? Sit my toe with Heather. My hun. My hun bwrw glaw. My hun gymylog. Cloudy and raining today. That's a little bit sad. But never mind, we can still have lots of fun in the house together, can't we, Nellie? Okay, mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr. Can we all say goodbye? Hwyl fawr. Remember to wash your hands, children. Gowch chi dwylo. Hwyl fawr, ffrindiau. Hwyl fawr, ffrindiau. Hwyl fawr, ffrindiau. Mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr. Hwyl fawr.